could open up. I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My whole got talent.
Hi guys and welcome to Bahan Tech Tips, and before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Unboxing videos is what people love, and people who follow me on Facebook know what I'm talking about. Yes, this is the Hyper 212 LED from Cooler Master. If you want to buy a Cooler Master Hyper 212 LED, you can check the link in the video description. Go ahead on Amazon and buy the product. I was confused a little between the Hyper 212 LED and the Turbo Cooler. The only difference that I could see was there was an extra fan in the Turbo Cooler. And what I got to know about the Hyper 212 LED was that you can equip another fan in this puppy. This fan is compatible with Intel's LGA 2011 V3, 2011, LGA 1151, 1150, 1155, 1156, LGA 1366 and 775. And from AMD it can be equipped to AMD 3, AM3 Plus, AM3, AM2 Plus, AM2, FM2 Plus, socket FM2 and FM1 as well. Now you people are probably talking about the AM4 socket for Ryzen CPUs. Well, you would be surprised to know that you would get a socket accessory wherein you can equip this fan in the AM4 socket as well for Ryzen CPUs. It has got 4 heat pipes and aluminum fins or aluminium fins depending on where you're from. You might want to check your cabinet clearance for such a monster because the dimensions are 120 by 84 by 160 millimeters, which is 4.7 by 3 by 6.3 inches. It has 4-pin connector, noise level is 9 to 31 decibels. Power consumption is 2.28 watts and weighs around 570 grams. So that is all you want to know about this thing. Now let's get straight into the unboxing. That's all for today. I will also make a video on the installation of Hyper 212 LED in AM3 socket for my FX 8350 from AMD. So please subscribe the channel so that you do not miss onto that video. Take care, bye bye.